Here are the reasons why we put the Noctua NH U12S SE AM4 on our top list. Let's take a look at what people saying about it. TM Bird says, "It's installed and I can't tell that there are any fans in my computer. Also, my temperatures have immediately dropped by 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. On a Ryzen 1700, I am now at 27 degrees Celsius idle. Full load is sub 46 on maximum load. A prime 95 maximum heat test, and none of my case fans are spooling because there's just no need. Amazing. Stop reading this review and buy it." Edit. Okay, so it got a bit hotter than 46. 51. Still amazingly low though. Combined with a low TDP CPU, this cooler is astoundingly good. Another buyer says, "This is well worth the price. The M4 bracket kit lets you rotate to any direction you want to blow the air. And the stock fan is oh so quiet. Best air cooler ever and super easy to fit. Instructions are simple, the images in them are easy to understand."